Are you looking forward to fix Twitch app not working? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. So the very first thing you want to do is head over to the App Store on your device. Inside the App Store, in the address bar, you need to search for the application Twitch. Move into this app. Instead of open, if you see the option of update, then simply click on update and update the app to the latest version. Once updated, now the next thing you want to do is go back and head over to the settings. Inside settings, move into general. Head over to iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application Twitch. Once you're inside, click on offload app and once again tap on offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This should definitely fix the issue that you have been facing. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.